uh, sir, what does it actually do? So
To
we have to write the
access the help pane, first and foremost, you need to have internet connectivity.
Okay.
If you do not have internet connectivity, help pane will not work. And
So if you are
the
not
job
able
of
to,
the job of the help pane is to connect to the documentation console. So wherever online the documentation, Python documentation is available, this help pane connects to that area, and from there it gives you the entire write-up on what is the write-up for that function. What does this function, does this package, what functionality does it achieve?
okay, sir.
Here, everyone with me? Yes,
So,
no,
so it
maybe.
opens up. So it opens up a website that refers to that particular thing that we're finding help for.
Opens a web page inside Spider.
Okay.
Inside Spider, it will open a web page. If further links are provided there, you click on those links. So you may go to a different browser.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Clear? Everyone with me? Yes, no, maybe. Quickly, please. So see here, if I type NUMPY, NumPy, it retrieves the documentation on its own. You can also go to the documentation page here. That will take you to a browser, but then most of it is listed here already. So you can go through, read this documentation. Clear? Am I making sense, guys? Yes, no, maybe. Quickly, please. Yep. All right. Aditya, can you please take us through the last one? Last page on this. Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Can you please take us through the last one?
Last one is the history log. But sir, my computer is hanging. I cannot switch between GoToMeeting app and Spider. Whenever I change my screen to GoToMeeting app, the help window closes automatically and it is not showing it again.
Yes, when that happens, simply press the escape key once.
Okay. Now it's working. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Welcome.
I will repeat it for you. The seventh one is the history log. This pane records all commands introduced in the Python and IPython consoles.
So you guys see that the command which we had executed, 4 + 6, that command is listed over here in the history. You see? Guys, yes, no, maybe. Yep. So this is the integrated development environment which we are going to make use of. Okay, we are going to make use of this integrated development environment. Okay, mostly those who are working with PyCharm, they will see a similar output. They will see a similar output. It's just that एक पार्ले-जी का बिस्किट है और एक ब्रिटानिया का बिस्किट है, बट दोनों ही है क्या? दोनों ही बिस्किट्स हैं. Clear with me? Yes, no, maybe. एक पार्ले-जी का मारी बिस्किट है और एक ब्रिटानिया का मारी बिस्किट है, बट दोनों ही बिस्किट्स है, मारी बिस्किट्स. Nishtha, we will be working on Jupyter, but not today, at a later stage. First, let me introduce everyone to the very basics of Python first. Once in the first week, see, in the first week, I'm going to be very, very slow. Today, I'm walking at a snail's pace. Whatever I have covered till now, if I had audience who come from a programming background, I would have covered this in the first half an hour itself. Not even that. Yeah, but the idea is, once all of you people from programming background, people from non-programming background. Currently my agenda is only two things. One is that I should be able to create a rapport with you guys. And what is that rapport? That whenever you have a problem, you do not hesitate to ask me. You are not scared of asking questions to me. That is the first thing, first and foremost thing. And when I say this, please remember, sometimes when I respond, it may be the case कि मैं आपको डांट दूं, मैं डांट लगा दूं, but ये कब होगा? ये तभी होगा जब you will do a mistake which I don't expect you to do. And what are the mistakes which I don't expect you to do? The only mistakes which I don't expect you to do are those mistakes which you have already committed twice. पहली बार गलती, दूसरी बार लापरवाही, तीसरी बार आदत. So first 2 times, if I have told you something. Now, today we have discussed in depth how to import a particular package, right? Tomorrow you ask me this again, I will respond. Day after tomorrow you ask me again, I will respond. But the third time, if you make the same mistake of importing a package, I will give you the correct answer, but I will make sure that you remember that answer. And because I am the trainer here, you guys will have to give me this space. You will have to give me this authority. Is everyone with me in this? Yes, no, maybe. I want a response from each and every person. Pragisha, we don't have to go through different IDs, but again, see, some of us like Parle-G, some of us like Britannia. Correct? Some of us like Amul ice creams, some of us like Quality Walls, right? So at the very starting itself, I have answered this question that I don't care whether you are eating a Amul brand or whether you are eating a Quality Walls brand or you are eating a Mother Dairy brand. But if I ask you to eat an ice cream, you have to eat an ice cream. If I ask you to go through certain things before coming to my class, then you have to go through those things before coming to my class, whatever happens. Whatever happens. You guys are students and your only job right now, only expectation out of you is to study. And if you are not able to make time to study before coming to the class, then you have your priorities at the wrong place. There is nothing wrong with us. There is nothing wrong with anyone else. It is you who does not have your priority at the right place. All right. This is the first thing which I expect out of all of you. All right. Second, I will always take into note the feedback which you guys are giving. Why? Because for me, there are 20 students in this class. For me, each and every single individual is equally important. I am not satisfied with 19 Python programmers out of this group. Rahul can speak, like if you guys want, you can get in touch with Rahul offline. He knows about me a little bit because he's gone through a few sessions under me and he knows my attitude towards each and every candidate. So sometimes you might feel कि sir हमें बहुत ज़्यादा डांट रहे हैं, but वो तभी होगा जब आप मुझे उस चीज के लिए मजबूर करोगे. और मुझे तो पूरे 20 out of 20 Python programmers चाहिए. Not a single candidate am I going to let go. So in that, you ask me a question one time, you ask me a question 10 times, you ask me a question 100 times, does not matter. What matters is every single day we are making progress. Do not compare your progress to your contemporaries. So Pragisha should not look at how much Harshita is knowing. Pragisha should only and only look at, yesterday I knew this much, today I knew this much. So this is greater than what I knew yesterday. Your competition is only and only against yourself. I am never going to compare Nishtha to Rahul, but I am always going to compare today's Rahul with tomorrow's Rahul. Clear? Everyone with me? Yes, no, maybe?
कर दिया मैंने मम्मी को WhatsApp.
All right. Now, just one moment, guys. Just a minute, please. In fact, what I want all of you to do now is take 5 minutes, okay? And all of you, please get comfortable with this integrated development environment of Spider. I want all of you to get comfortable with this integrated development environment of Spider. Please, madam, you have something to say? Damini, madam?
Hello.
Harshita, you have something to say?
Yeah. Sir, I have a question.
Tell me, please.
We have a lot of IDs for Python, but as we have read, like PyCharm is the best one till now. So we don't have PyCharm in our system in Anaconda, so we won't be able to work on it. Then we won't be able to get to know about it.
One sec. In your opinion, which is better, the Britannia Mari or the Good Day Mari?
Which tastes better?
Which tastes better, right? Similarly, Spider can do everything what PyCharm can do. PyCharm can do everything what Spider can do. Only hardly there are certain features which are not same. There are hardly any features which are not same, right? PyCharm is famous. Why? Because there is a lot of marketing being done for PyCharm. It is owned by a company which is called as JetBrains. There are paid versions of PyCharm, whereas Spider is absolutely free. So there is no marketing effort for Spider. So when someone says that we have heard that PyCharm is very famous and all that stuff, no, there is nothing like that. It is Python which is famous. It is the biscuit. It is Mari biscuit which is famous. So if the Good Day company is making it, it will sell. If the Britannia company is making it, it will sell. If Ramdev Baba decides to make it, it will also sell. Have I answered your question, Harshita?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So there is no comparison, like nothing like one is better than the other. In terms of functionality, sometimes yes, there may be certain IDs like that which are very different. But when it comes to the comparison between Spider and PyCharm, not too much of difference. Okay, so now what I want you guys to do is I will give you 5 minutes. I want all of you to look at each of these options here. Just go through the options. Okay, I don't want you to go and click on any of those options, but I just want you to understand the grouping. What is the grouping? See, there is a file option in which you have all these options. There is an edit in which you have all of these options, right? Then there is search, then there is source, run, debug, console, projects, tools, views, and help. All right, please go through these options. Okay, I don't want you to go into detail by clicking on these right now. Just go through the grouping. When I come back, we will start with our first Python program. So I will be introducing you to the syntax of Python. Clear? Is everyone with me? Yes, no, maybe? Yep. Yes, Gulzar, tell me please.
सर अभी जैसे स्पाइडर में कुछ क्वेरी रन करते थे ये लिस्ट रेंज, उसके बाद वो स्पाइडर पाइथन मेरे में मैक्सिमाइज तो हो गया था, उसके बाद वहीं अटक गया था। तो आपने लास्ट 5 मिनट्स में भी क्या कराया था, एक बार वो बता दो।
लास्ट 5 मिनट्स में मैंने कुछ भी नहीं कराया। लास्ट 5 मिनट्स में मैंने थोड़ा बहुत ज्ञान दिलाया। और एक बार रिकॉर्डिंग को जाना देखना, मैंने सिर्फ कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशंस सेट करी हैं। कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या,
एक्सपेक्टेशन तो मैंने सुन लिए हैं।
हाँ,
ठीक है सर।
उसके बाद कुछ नहीं किया। उसके बाद यही बोला है सबको कि एक बार प्लीज गो थ्रू दीज हेडर्स, ईच ऑफ दीज हेडर्स, किसकी क्या ग्रुपिंग है, किस किस में, जैसे डीबग है, डीबग में क्या क्या ऑप्शंस हैं, रन है, रन में क्या क्या ऑप्शंस हैं, कंसोल्स में क्या क्या ऑप्शंस हैं, प्रोजेक्ट्स में क्या क्या ऑप्शंस हैं। ठीक है, एक बार जस्ट गो थ्रू दिस एवरीवन एंड
ठीक
देन
है सर।
जस्ट ये भी देख लेना क्या है। यहाँ देख रहे हो, ये देखो ऐसे लिख के आता है बाहर, पॉपअप आता है
ये
कि ये
सर वो
व्हाट
मैंने
इज
देख
दिस।
लिया है। ठीक है
Yeah,
सर।
I want everyone, all of us to go through all the options of Spider. Okay, I'm giving you 10 minutes for this
ठीक है
exercise. I'm giving all of you 10 minutes for this exercise. I will resume after 10 minutes. Okay. Hey guys, everyone with me? Are you guys there? Yeah. Now everyone is comfortable with the integrated development environment, which we are going to make use of to work in Python. Is everyone comfortable? Quickly. That guys with me? Everyone? Yep. So now let us move ahead and write our first Python program. What is important to remember in Python? Certain basics in Python. Number one, most of the commands which are written in Python are written in simple English. Okay, the syntax is usually simple English language. And why it is so? Because Python was initially developed as a language for the scientific community, and they had their requirements. So somebody comes from a biological background or a chemistry background, how will they know programming, right? Typical syntax and all that stuff. That was one reason why Python is tried to be created as a language which is as close as possible to normal English language. Number two, in R you might have seen that you create certain areas which are encapsulated between brackets, right, to show a group of code, something which is written between these parentheses. Am I correct? Yes, no, maybe. Guys, am I audible? Guys, am I audible? Thank you. Yeah, in Python this is not required. In Python we can do that using indentation. What is indentation? So if I have my first statement, this is my first statement. Now I want something which should be in the context of this statement. I can simply use a colon and press enter. This tab will come automatically in Spider. This tab space will automatically come in your integrated development environment. So if I want something to be a part of this, I will have to indent it. And please remember, Python is very particular about this indentation. So if my first line is indented by 4 spaces, a tab consists of 4 spaces, I cannot start my second line with 3 spaces. This is not allowed in Python. This indentation should be same as this indentation. Clear? Everyone with me? Yes, no, maybe? Till this part everyone is clear? Guljar, yes? All right. Now suppose here also I have a block of code. So something which needs to come here, this will be my third line, right? And if you notice, this third line will have 2 times the number of spaces here. So here there are 4 spaces, here there will be 8 spaces. This cannot be 7 spaces. This cannot be like this. This is not allowed. The second tab which you are taking, the second block which you are creating, the space there, here, this space should be equal to this space. So again, here also you will have to use a tab. Clear? Everyone with me? Yes, no, maybe? Yes? All right. Now, let me remove this. Okay. Indentation is clear to everyone. Okay. Code block is clear to everyone. Right? Now.
Sir, here indentation refers to only spaces.
Yes, Aditya. And that is to design code blocks. Okay, so you can use a tab. You can use a tab also. Nishtha,
but if we have
go ahead, Aditya.
Sir, if we have to write a code and without this code blocks, then next line will come without indentation, starting from the starting from
true.
Initially.
Very true. Very correct, Aditya. Absolutely correct.
Okay, so it will create any problem for Python to run this code if we don't want any code blocks, any indentations.
No. Okay. None perfect. At all. None at all. Okay. Nishtha, what are code blocks? You remember in R, you used to create these for loops. Nishtha, you remember in R programming language, you created for loops. So when you created these for loops, whatever you wanted to execute inside the for loop, that was put something like this. In this group, it was put in this group, correct? That entire thing was the code block for that for loop. Similarly, in Python, we don't make use of these. We make use of a tab space. So this statement has a code block, and that code block is still this place here. See, when I click this, everything is gone. When I click this, only that line is gone. Make sense? Yes, no, maybe? Yep. Now, another important thing in any language is how you are able to give comments. See, in your program, if you have not documented your program, that what is a particular piece of code or what is a particular chunk of code going to do, if you have not documented that, then your program may be a very good program, but nobody is going to call it a good program. Why? Because you have not done good documentation in your program. Documentation of every step is very, very important activity for a programmer. So how do I do documentation? Okay, documentation is done using comments. Documentation is done using comments. So how do I add comments? The easiest way to add a comment, a single line comment, is using the hash symbol. So this is a single line comment. If I want to do 3 or 4 lines of comments, simple. Line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4. I have 4 lines of comments. Okay, this is how comments are done. Often these comments are confused with something like this. This is not a comment. This is not a comment. Yes, Anam. For every line you will have to enter a hash. Okay, but comments are often confused by this also, right? This is not a comment, but this is a multi-line string literal. Prativesh, no need to worry about spaces. This way, this is also a comment. This is also a comment. Gulzar, right now concentrate on what I am discussing. I will come to this when I take your questions. But right now I want you to concentrate on what I am showing. Okay, I will come
Sir,
to
those
this
line
later.
spaces. Okay, sir.
Okay, right now please concentrate here. Okay, now this is a multi-line string literal. Guys, this is not a comment. This is a multi-line string literal. And why am I emphasizing on this? Because in Spider or in PyCharm, okay, or in normal Python, this is taken as a comment by the script. Why? Because this is not a code. This is English string literal, multi-line string literal. This entire area between these three inverted commas, three inverted commas to start and three to end. In Jupyter, guys, am I audible? Guys, can you hear me? Am I audible? Yep. In Jupyter, this string literal is not treated like a comment. So in Jupyter, when you are trying to execute this, it may create problems. Okay, Nishtha. A comment is a non-executable piece of code. Non-executable piece of code. Whereas a string literal is a executable piece where the entire thing, entire block within the three inverted commas, three inverted commas, is considered as a string. This entire thing is considered as a string, multi-line string. Clear with me? Yes, no, maybe. So there is nothing to execute within these. The moment the Python compiler, yes, it is printed on the console. In Jupyter, this is printed on the console. But here, because I am not assigning it anywhere. Here, I am not assigning it anywhere. Right? So here, Spider is going to treat this. Here, Spider is going to treat this like a comment. The moment it comes here, it knows that this is a string. it needs to be executed like a string. What am I doing with this string? Am I printing this string? No. Am I returning this string? No. Am I saving this string? No. Clear? Everyone with me? Yes, no, maybe. Quickly, please. Anam, tell me, what is your confusion? Aditya, tell me, what is your confusion? Anam and Adi.
Sir,
What-
you told us in Jupyter console, three inverted commas sometimes create problem. What type of problem it creates? As we are using it for only
show that
comment
to you. Aditya, I will show that to you when I work with Jupyter. For now, do not worry. What is your next question, Aditya? Aditya,
But sir, we are using this three inverted just to use hash in RStudio.
Just to?
Sir, I'm asking you, we are using this three inverted comma set for documentation purpose, for commenting only. Hello, sir, I'm audible to you.
You will have to repeat your question, Aditya.
Sir, I'm asking you, these three inverted commas are used for only documentation or commenting purpose, just like we use hash in R for commenting, for explaining our
Here
code.
for commenting, Aditya, for commenting in Python, we use hash, just like R. A string literal is something. See, if this is a multi-line code, multi-line piece of chunk which I want to print, right? If I want to print this output the way it is, I can store this into a variable.
Okay,
Like
let's say in this console spider we have to store enter a number. It will be considered as multi string. It will be considered as string.
Yeah, repeat please.
Just suppose we want to enter a number in our string in this spider software. So we will write enter a number in three inverted commas.
No, I'm coming to it. Hold on. I'm coming to that part. But for now, the difference between a hash, which is a comment, and three inverted commas, that is clear. They are not the same. One is a string literal and the other one is a comment. Vipul, I can use this string literal later on to do any kind of prints. Suppose I have a report which has a very fixed header with a very unique style to it. I can create that style into a string literal, multi-line input, store it into a variable and print it later. Let us see that. So now what I'm going to do is, let everything be the way it is. Okay. Tanya, correct. Now let this be the way it is. Let me write our first Python program. Okay, so in this, what I'm going to do is, in this program, I am going to ask for your name. Once you enter your name, it will give you a custom output. The output will be your name followed by welcome to Ematicus. Okay, so I want to do a simple print on your name. First thing you want is to read your name from the console. Okay, first thing what I want to do is read your name. For that we use the command called as input command. This input command, see here the documentation, will read a string from standard input. Alright, so now this input command, you will give your name. I have to store that name someplace, right? Let me call that as variable name. is equal to input. Input, I am saying please enter your name. As simple as that. All right. Now in the next step, what I'm going to do is print your name followed by welcome to Ematicus. Let me add some more things here. So let me do like this. Dear all right, as simple as that. Prativesh, do you have a question? Prativesh,
So-
do you have a question?
Yes, sir. So you have put name in print. Shouldn't it be variable underscore name? So it
You
knows
are
where it is.
absolutely correct. You are absolutely correct, sir. My apologies. This is clear for now what I have done. Can you guys do this? Everyone, can you please do the same thing? Done? Yes. Now, before I execute this, there is one more thing which I want to show you. Okay, in Python, you see, I have given this single inverted comma. You see, I have given this single inverted comma here. Do you see that? Yes, no, maybe. Again here, I can change this to double inverted commas and it will make no difference. It will make no difference. Now, if I want to run this, I need to come here and press this. Either I can come and press this or press the F5 key on your computer. Okay, so I'm going to execute this. What it says, when you do this for the first time, this will happen for every first file run. All right, let the default options be the way they are. Please let the default options be the way they are. Okay, and now click on run. On the right hand side, you will see this. On the right hand side, you will see something like this. Run file, where here there will be a path to the file name. There will be a working directory to it. And then you will have this. Please enter your name. The name here, which I enter is say Aditya, and press enter. What does it say? Dear Aditya, welcome to Ematicus. Everyone with me? Are you guys able to do this? Is everyone able to do this? Tanya, what about you? Tanya? Okay. Gulzar? Anam? Anam, what about you? Prativesh, go ahead.
So where you wrote please enter your name, I wrote my name. So now I changed it. Then how do you run it again? Because I'm clicking on run, but it's not running.
It's not running because you see here, you may see a red button here. Do you see a red button here? This one should be red.
Yes, it is red.
Yep. Why? Because the earlier execution of your program is not yet complete. I will replicate the problem which Prativesh is having. I click run here. Now I make any changes here. But see, this file is still in execution. So if I make any changes and try to click on run, nothing will happen. My screen will remain here. I need to come out of this program. So either I'll give the input and let this program finish, but if I want to terminate this in between, either I can come here and click on the stop button, or from my keyboard I can press Control plus C, Control plus C, and that will interrupt the program. And now you will be able to come and click on run and the program will execute. With me, everyone? Yes, no, maybe?
Sir, just a minute.
Gulzar, done?
सर एक मिनट, फर्स्ट में ये आ रहा है कि पाइथन कंसोल इज करंटली ऑन, नो पाइथन कंसोल इज करंटली अवेलेबल टू रन टेम्प बाय ओपन अ न्यू वन ट्राई अगेन। ये
क्या आ रहा है, फिर से बोलो।
Shikhar sir, basically Gulzar facing a warning. It's saying that no IPython console is currently available to run. Please open a new one and try again.
ठीक है, Gulzar, come to consoles.
Yes, sir.
And click on, come to consoles and click on restart kernel.
Yes, sir.
Click on restart kernel.
कर्नल, yes sir, कर दिया।
Now in your console, do you see some changes? Console update हुआ होगा।
तो कंसोल को एक बार चेक करना,
हाँ,
कि कैसे चेक करना है।
यहाँ पर
तो कंसोल को कैसे चेक करना है अभी तो
यहाँ IPython कंसोल दिख रहा है नीचे।
सर एक उनकी साइड है, जहाँ टेम्प है, ऐसा नहीं क्लियर हो रहा अभी।
आपने कर्नल रिस्टार्ट किया?
तो कर्नल रिस्टार्ट तो कर दिया।
उसके बाद रन कमांड पे क्लिक करो, क्या आउटपुट आ रहा है?
रन सेटिंग्स पे वही जो डिफॉल्ट है उसी को कर दूं। रन सेटिंग्स फॉर टेम्प है तो डिफॉल्ट उसी पे रन कर दूं।
हाँ जी, रन।
सर अभी भी वही रिपीट आ रहा है जो पहले आया था कि नो कंसोल इज करंटली अवेलेबल।
ठीक है, स्पाइडर को बंद करो, एनाकोंडा को रीस्टार्ट करो, एनाकोंडा को रीस्टार्ट करो, वापस से फिर स्पाइडर को लॉन्च करो। गुलजार, ये प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, आ सकता है।
सर भाई
निष्ठा,
कर रहा हूँ,
it is not getting printed even on my console.
स्पाइडर को लॉन्च।
Now, Nishtha, what you can do here is, we created var1 above.
Hello?
Simply do print var1. Simply do print var1 and then execute this. Now I say Gulzar, and after that, if you look here, see that string literal is printed the way it was given with that second line and everything. So if I did like this, 6-7 lines in between, and then I execute this, Here you go. See, the way I have given that literal, the same way it is printed over here. Does that make sense? Aditya, Control C, or you will see this in red. Just press this. You will see this in red. Just press
But my
that.
stop button is not red. I am not
It's
able
not
to
red.
stop it.
It's not red, then there is no interrupt. You don't need to
Okay.
give an interrupt because there is no command which is executing.
I am able to change the name again and again in this command.
I did not get your point.
Just like Prathivesh was saying, I have made the changes, but it is not coming into the console window.
Did you run it after that?
Yes, I have made some changes, and the changes are visible in console window.
Then what is the problem?
Sir, I want to ask how to stop that particular command from running.
You want
Because
this command not to run?
Yes, sir.
Comment it out. Now run it again. Here you go.
Okay.
Here you go. See? Simple. Make sense? Aditya, make sense? Yes, no, maybe? Yep. Aditya, oh sorry, Prathivesh, your turn.
Because it was the same question.
All right. गुलजार, only use this right now. और वो मेरे ये print के पहले का hash निकाल देना. Uncomment कर लेना उसको. With me,
So,
गुलजार. क्या? Execute करो. I want everyone to do this. I
So I
want
had a-
everyone. Yeah, बोलो प्रतिवेश.
sir, इसमें जो हम comment add कर रहे हैं तो उसके बाद it gets removed. But why is it printing it in the first place? क्योंकि हमने तो बस print variable 1 का command दिया. बाकी command तो हमने run.
भाई दोनों
अच्छा,
कमांड अलग अलग हैं. इनपुट कमांड में देखो क्या होता है. इनपुट कमांड में एक इनपुट लेगा. ठीक है, अग्रीड है कि वो एक इनपुट लेगा. बट मैं इनपुट कमांड में साथ में ये वेरिएबल भी पास कर रहा हूं ना प्रिंट करने के लिए. तो इनपुट कमांड व्हेन आई टाइप, ये देखो इसका हेल्प. व्हाट डज इट से? इट गिव्स अ प्रॉम्प्ट. द प्रॉम्प्ट स्ट्रिंग if given is printed to the standard output without a trailing new line before reading the input. और उसके बाद जो भी आप स्ट्रिंग दोगे वो अगेन एक ना एक जगह सेव होएगी. और वो सेव कौन से फॉर्मेट में होएगी? स्ट्रिंग फॉर्मेट में. सो इवन इफ आई एम पासिंग अ नंबर, वो नंबर भी जब सेव होगा तब वो नंबर कौन से फॉर्मेट में सेव होएगा? स्ट्रिंग फॉर्मेट में सेव होएगा. Clear? Everyone with me? Yes, no, maybe? समझ में आया सबको? गुलजार, रन हुआ क्या दोबारा? गुलजार, रन हुआ दोबारा?
सर एक मिनट अभी ट्राई कर रहा हूँ अभी उसे एक ट्राई और कर रहा हूँ अभी.
करो कोई बात नहीं. Anyone else who is not able to replicate what I just did? Is everyone able to do this? Anam, are you able to do it? Anam, are you able to do it? Pragisha, Anirudh, Harshita, केडी, नीतिका, विपुल, वर्षा, जीशान, पुष्पेंद्र, राहुल, Anam, click on this button, the play button, or on your computer press F5 function 5. Is it working now, Anam? Very good. Gulzar, what is your progress?
Sir, that same is displaying again and again that console not available. No IPython console is currently available. यही बार-बार आ रहा है.
1 minute.
Open a new one, try.
Gulzar is a presenter now, so I think let's see the Gulzar's pitch.
मैडम बना दीजिए इसको प्रेजेंटर जरा.
सर एक बार आप सर अभी स्क्रीन शेयर हो रही है अभी? सर स्क्रीन क्लियर है अभी?
हाँ हाँ
सर ये कमांड ठीक है ये?
हाँ.
तो
जाओ रन पे क्लिक करो.
तो इसको सिलेक्ट कर.
कुछ नहीं करना भाई, छोड़ो. कुछ सिलेक्ट नहीं करना है.
हाँ F5
पूरा ये जरा
करना है.
स्क्रीन अपना मैक्सिमाइज करो. स्क्रीन मैक्सिमाइज करो. स्पाइडर को मैक्सिमाइज करो.
यस सर.
ये टीम व्यूअर बंद करो.
ओके. तो इसके साथ F5 से रन करना है.
हाँ रन करो.
इसको आ रहा हूँ.
कंसोल्स में जाओ. कंसोल्स में जाओ.
यस सर.
न्यू कंसोल डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग. अभी रन करो.
उसी कोड को इस कंसोल में लिखूं.
अरे इधर आके ये प्ले पे दबाओ. प्ले बटन दबाओ ऊपर. प्ले बटन कहाँ है? प्ले बटन नहीं दिख रहा?
अच्छा ये प्ले बटन है.
हाँ राइट साइड में देखो.
एंटर योर नेम आया.
करो नेम एंटर करो. एंटर करो. उधर एंटर मारो. इधर क्यों आ रहे हो भाई? वापस
अच्छा.
जाओ. एंटर मारो. उसके बाद गुलजार
आया.
सिंह आ गया. डियर गुलजार सिंह वेलकम टू एमेटिकस.
यस सर आ
ठीक
गया.
है. अभी एवरीवन प्लीज इसके स्क्रीन पे जरा कंसंट्रेट करो. अभी एक और चीज आपको मैं बताता हूँ क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर. देखो पाइथन की ये स्पेशलिटी है. पाइथन क्या है? इंटरप्रेटेड लैंग्वेज है. मतलब क्या कि ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि पहले पाइथन के कोड को कोई जाकर चेक करेगा कि भाई कोड सही है गलत है, और उसके बाद अगर उसमें कोई गलती होगी तो आपको बताएगा, और फिर बाद में अगर कोई गलती नहीं होगी तो रन करेगा. पाइथन जो भी करता है वो रन टाइम पे करता है. रन टाइम पे करता है मतलब क्या? जैसे ही इसने गुलजार ने रन करने के लिए बोला, पाइथन ने लाइन 1 को पहले एग्जीक्यूट किया. देखो लाइन 1 प्लीज एंटर योर नेम गुलजार सिंह. फिर उसने दूसरी लाइन, अरे कहाँ चले गए भाई? हाँ फिर उसने दूसरी लाइन को प्रिंट किया, डियर गुलजार सिंह वेलकम टू एमेटिकस, और उसके बाद वेरिएबल 1 इसकी स्क्रिप्ट में है ही नहीं। उसके बाद उसने तीसरी लाइन पे जब उसको एरर मिला तब एरर बताया, और एरर भी क्या बोल रहा है वो, नेम वेरिएबल 1 इज नॉट डिफाइंड, वेरी क्लियर। इसका मतलब क्या है, हिंदी में इसका मतलब है हमने वेरिएबल 1 डिफाइन ही नहीं किया है। गुलजार, अब इस एरर को कैसे रिमूव करोगे?
सर कि जो वेयर नेम जो इनपुट है उसको रन करेंगे ना होगा।
एरर पहले पढ़ो, एरर क्या आया है तुम्हें?
एरर तो है कि वेयर 1 इज नॉट डिफाइंड।
नॉट डिफाइंड इसका मतलब क्या है, हिंदी में बताओ मुझे।
मतलब वो वेरिएबल डाला ही नहीं है।
हाँ, तो वो वेरिएबल कैसे डालेंगे?
क्रिएट करके।
कैसे क्रिएट करेंगे, जरा करो।
वही जहाँ वेयर अंडर स्कोर था पहले उसकी
कोई
जगह
बात नहीं, कोई
वेयर
बात
1
नहीं, नाम एंटर करना, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, तूने अच्छा मिस्टेक किया है। तू नाम एंटर कर और एंटर मार, फिर मैं बताता हूँ क्या होता है। This gives me another opportunity to explain you something which is very important. मैंने आपको क्या बताया, पाइथन लाइन बाय लाइन एग्जीक्यूशन करता है। तो अब इस बार देखो, इस बार सेकेंड लाइन में एरर था, सेकेंड लाइन में क्योंकि एरर था तो थर्ड लाइन का कुछ भी एग्जीक्यूट नहीं हुआ। वेरिएबल 1 तो है ना, बट फिर भी थर्ड लाइन एग्जीक्यूट नहीं हुआ, सेकेंड लाइन पे ही कोड ब्रेक हो गया। द मोमेंट पाइथन को एरर मिला,
वेयर 1 मतलब दोनों में सेम वेरिएबल डालेंगे तो हो जाएगा।
am I audible guys, am I audible?
सर नाउ क्लियर। सर अगर तो वेयर अगर दोनों में सेम डालेंगे तो हो जाएगा।
करो, करके
अगर
देखना
दोनों
भाई, प्रोग्रामिंग का
ठीक है।
यही सिंपल। सुनो गाइस, एवरीवन प्लीज लिसन टू मी। प्रोग्रामिंग में एरर है ना, जो ये एरर आ रहा है ना अभी, इससे कभी भी डरना मत। दिस एरर इज योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड इन प्रोग्रामिंग। एन एरर इज अ प्रोग्रामर्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड। एरर से डरना नहीं, एरर को वेलकम करना। ठीक है भाई, तू आया ना, तेरे को भी ठीक कर दूंगा। नाम मेरा गुलजार सिंह है। अभी देखो एंटर मारेगा सब ठीक हो जाएगा। एंटर
तो
मारेगा ना
डरने या
गुलजार,
सीखने में
सब
से तो डरने या सीखने में से एक करना है तो सीखने के लिए कोई
समझे। एरर से डरना नहीं है, एरर अपने को सब कुछ सिखाएगा, एरर सब कुछ बताएगा कि भाई ये मिस्टेक है और इसको ऐसे में इंप्रूव कर सकता हूँ। गुलजार, अभी प्रोग्राम एकदम परफेक्ट चल रहा है तुम्हारा?
ठीक चल रहा है। इट्स ऑल राइट नाउ,
है ना? So see guys, now all of you have successfully created your first Python program. You guys have successfully created your first Python program. Yep, Vipul, tell me what is your question, Vipul? Gulzar, now you can stop sharing. Gulzar, you can now stop sharing. Madam, please make me the presenter back again.
Sir.
Thank you, madam. Now, the question from Vipul. Yep. Let me see. Here you go. See, control return, run the current cell. If I do this, it will ask me for my name. I say Vipul. Done. That's it. Okay, no, it executed the entire thing. I wanted only this cell. This to be executed. All right. Yes. Now, to do this, the question from Vipul is, how can I execute one line at a time? If I want to do a single line, yeah, you can use F9. Here you go. See, when I do this, enter your name. My name is, say, I enter here Vipul. That's it. Okay. Now, if you want to execute a piece of block, only that piece of block, right? What you can do is include that piece of block in this, like this. And then I say here, like this. So now what will happen is when I come here and I run this, okay, when I do a control enter here, what will happen is only these two lines will be executed. This third line will not be executed. Here you go. See, variable 1 is not printed. Make sense? Vipul, does that answer your question, my friend? Nishtha, cell does not mean one line. F5, listen guys, F5 is for entire script. F9 is for a single line or your selection. F9 is a single line. So my cursor is on this line. It will execute this line. If my cursor is selected these two lines like this, then these two lines will be executed. That is F9. And control enter is for a block. How do you create a block? You create a block like this. Look at my line 37. Do you guys see my line 37? Do you guys see my line 37? Yep. So here you guys have successfully created your first Python program. Now what you can do is come here, click on Save As, and first program, I can save this like this. This is a block. Pragisha, this entire thing is now an executable block. It's basically nothing but a set of cells which have combined together. So this becomes a cell that I want this to be executed together. And creating a block with this, that is Python syntax. This is spider functionality. This is spider line 37, that is spider functionality. Whereas creating a block with colon is Python functionality. Clear, Pragisha? Yep. All right. Now you guys have saved it. Saved it as first proj, right? Now what I'm going to do is come here. Exit this. Go to my D drive. In my D drive, Python functionalities can be used in all IDEs, but a functionality which is specific to one particular IDE cannot be used in other IDEs. Okay, now I come to my D drive. In my D drive, you see here is the file firstproj.py. Firstproj.py. Yep. Now I'm going to execute this file. python.
Sir, I have a question.
One sec, please. Firstproj.py. Here you go. And now you see it directly gives me, please enter your name. Unknown. Dear unknown, welcome to Ematicus. A string literal is an executable piece where the entire block within the three inverted commas, this is inverted, three inverted commas is considered as a string. So you can execute your program this way also. Clear? Everyone with me? Yes, no, maybe, quickly. Karan, tell me, sir. KD, what happened? Tanya, what happened? Where did I lose you guys? Where did I lose you guys? Last steps? Yes. See, I was. आपने करण, आपने कहां पर सेव किया? आपने कहां पर सेव किया अपनी फाइल को? Where did you save your Python file? D drive में. So now go to your D drive here. Rahul, go to your desktop. If you want to copy the path of the desktop, come to File Explorer. Go to your desktop. Come here. Do a left click. Come to Properties. In Properties, you will have the location. In Properties, you will have the location. इसमें desktop add करना आगे, ये नाम add करना है आगे. So you can come to location also, and from here you can copy. From location here you can copy. Okay. Varsha, my command prompt from Anaconda, I opened it, na? And then I went to the dictionary. See, let me exit this. Let me come back to my Anaconda. Launch. This will open in my default folder. From this, I will go navigate myself to the required directory. In my case, that directory is the D directory. So I go to D. Let me check now. For those who are working on command on terminal, Windows terminal, here use the ls command. That will list out all the files in D drive. In Windows, I am using the dir command. When I use the dir command, you see here, firstproj.py is the file which I saved. Now, if I want to execute this file from here, I simply say Python followed by the file name firstproj.py and press enter. What is your name? Rahul. नाम तो सुना ही होगा. Press enter. Dear Rahul, welcome to Ematicus. Make sense, everyone?
So we have to store our file, save our file in D drive.
CD. Pragisha, CD followed by the path. Gulzar, save it wherever you want. Save it wherever you want. I wanted to save it in D drive, so I saved it in D drive, and then I came to my D drive. You will have to go to the folder in which you are saving it. Everyone, yes, no, maybe quickly.
हाँ सर वो सेव तो हो गया पर
ls will list the files in the directory. Tanya, have you saved your file in D drive? Can you please go back and check, madam, and then do a dir command? Nishtha, no, Nishtha, are you there in your working folder? You are working in Mac, right? Windows LS is not required. Simply dir. Simple dir. Okay. Prativesh, go to the folder in which you have saved your file. Are you there? Once you are in that folder, tell me, Prativesh.
Yes, sir. What I did is I copied the file. I don't know how to copy the location. I just copied the file.
Okay. When you do a right click on the file, you will see something called as either options or properties or details of the file. Madam, can we make Prativesh the
Get info.
Nishtha? How did you do that? Nishtha, what command did you use? Prativesh, I think Madam has made you the presenter.
Yeah, sir. My
Python
laptop
followed by
keeps blocking it.
Prativesh, sorry.
My laptop keeps blocking it.
Oh, you have a firewall issue.
Yeah, probably privacy something.
Nishtha, the command is Python space followed by the file name .py. Who else is on Mac? Who else is on Mac? Who else is on Mac other than Prativesh? Who else is on Mac?
Sir, I have a query. Can I ask?
Yes, yes, Aditya, you can. Pragisha, Madam Pragisha को दे दीजिए control. Aditya, go ahead.
Sir,
I'll have to
whenever
restart.
I do my file. Hello.
One sec, hold on. Prativesh, do not restart right now. Prativesh, do not restart right now. I'm trying to show this on someone else's system. I'm trying to show this in Pragisha's system. Okay, so do not restart now. Now, in the meantime, Pragisha, share your screen. Aditya, please ask your question now.
Sir, whenever I am saving my file, whether in C drive or D drive, my Spider crashes and it automatically shuts down. I have to relaunch it again.
No,
And the file
right
cannot
now,
be saved.
right now, what you should try is after my session is over, what you should try is simply restart Anaconda and see if the problem persists. Only then remove Anaconda and do the installation again.
Okay, sir.
Pragisha, can you please share your screen with us? It is asking to restart. Go to. Okay,
So,
don't do that.
Maybe it will work now.
It works now. Okay, Madam Prativesh को दे दीजिए वापस, please.
Prativesh is okay.
इनफैक्ट मैडम आप मुझे को एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर बना दिया करिए, तो आई कैन ओनली डू दैट. जिसको देना होगा आई विल डू दैट.
कर सकते हो, लाइक जैसे यू आर द प्रेजेंट, अभी मैंने जैसे को प्रेजेंटर बनाया है, तो आप प्रतिवेश को बना सकते हो, बट प्रतिवेश को आपको दोबारा बनाना पड़ेगा, तब आप किसी और को.
वही तो कह रहा हूँ कि आप मेरे को एडमिन बना दो,
मैं आपको
ऑर्गेनाइजर बना दो.
ऑर्गेनाइजर का आईडी पासवर्ड आपको मैं दे दूँ.
ठीक है मैडम, थैंक यू. प्रतिवेश शेयर करिए, अभी हो रहा है.
नो सर, कोई दिक्कत आ रही है, पता नहीं क्यों.
प्रतिवेश
मैं तो प्रेफरेंस
ऑफ एक्चुअली. अच्छा, आपने दोनों से दो से किया हुआ है ना?
नहीं मैम, एक से ही किया.
हर्षिता, होल्ड ऑन, मैं आता हूँ आपके पास. मैडम ये प्रतिवेश का अगर नहीं हो रहा है सॉल्व, तो जरा हर्षिता को दीजिए कंट्रोल.
ओके.
प्रतिवेश आपके दो लॉगिन आईडी दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पर.
हर्षिता इज अ प्रेजेंटर.
हर्षिता मैडम, कैन यू प्लीज ट्राई टू शेयर योर स्क्रीन नाउ? हाँ जी ठीक है मैडम, आपने फाइल कहाँ पर सेव करी है?
Sir, in C drive.
सी ड्राइव। मैडम दिस इज नॉट योर सी ड्राइव ना, ये देखो सी यूजर्स एडमिन लिखा है ना यहाँ पर,
Yes, sir.
ये मतलब आप इस फोल्डर के अंदर हो। अब आप एक काम करिए, यहाँ पर अपने एडमिन के बाद एरो है, एरो के बाद वहां पर आइए, टाइप करिए कैपिटल सी फुल कोलन, कैपिटल सी फुल कोलन, प्रेस एंटर। अभी भी आप नहीं आए उसमें, एक काम करिए, अब टाइप करिए सी डी स्मॉल में, सी डी डबल डॉट, फिर से। अब देखिए आप एक लेवल बाहर आ गए, आपने देखा
Yes,
एडमिन फोल्डर के, अब आप बाहर आ गए, वापस करिए सी डी डबल डॉट, बस अब आप सी ड्राइव पर आ गए। देखिए अब कमांड दीजिए dir, अब देखिए आपकी जो फाइल थी पहली क्या फाइल, यहाँ पर तो कोई फाइल नहीं दिख रही मैडम मुझे, सी ड्राइव में
Sir,
तो
I've
कोई फाइल
saved it
नहीं
with
करी।
first. Sir, I've saved it with the name first. First dot file.
हाँ मैडम नहीं करी है आपने, देखो आप एक काम करिए, एक बार वापस से ओपन करिए उसको, हाँ स्पाइडर ओपन करिए, फाइल सेव एज करिए, फाइल सेव एज।
Sir, yeah, sir, please.
मैडम ये क्विक एक्सेस में, बच्चे क्विक एक्सेस में आपने सेव करा है, ये कहाँ डेस्कटॉप में किया है? सेव एज करो इसको, आओ इधर सेव एज, अब बगल में डेस्कटॉप दबाओ, पहले यहाँ डेस्कटॉप दबाओ, पहले यहाँ डेस्कटॉप दबाओ, वेरी गुड। अब यहाँ पर आओ, फर्स्ट डॉट पी वाई, फर्स्ट डॉट पी वाई, डॉट पी वाई, डॉट पी वाई, बस अब करो सेव, ठीक है। अब जाओ वापस कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट पे, अब dir करो दोबारा, क्या हो गया?
It's still not showing.
अरे बाप रे मैडम, हमने तो डेस्कटॉप पे सेव किया ना, फिर हम लोग यहाँ क्यों देख रहे हैं? देखो आप भी पागल हो, मैं भी पागल हूँ। एक काम करो, यहाँ पर टाइप करो cd स्पेस, cd स्पेस, ये यूजर्स है ना, ये यूजर्स ऐसे कैसे, कैपिटल यू के साथ, कैपिटल यू के साथ बच्चे, हाँ जी, एंटर। चलो dir करो जल्दी से, ये आ गया आपका एडमिन, cd करो एडमिन, cd एडमिन, चलो एंटर मारो, dir करो, वो देखो आ गया आपका डेस्कटॉप, डेस्कटॉप आया देखा कैपिटल डी के साथ, इसको ओपन करो, cd डेस्कटॉप,
Sir,
सॉर्टेड है ना, ऊपर देखो डेस्कटॉप कॉन्टैक्ट्स के बाद, और नीचे आओ थोड़ा सा, एनाकोंडा 3 दिखा होगा, नीचे आओ नीचे आओ नीचे आओ, एनाकोंडा 3, हाँ ये देखो ये डेस्कटॉप रहा ना, ऊपर चला गया डेस्कटॉप बाबा, हाँ हाँ करो cd डेस्कटॉप करो, डी कैपिटल के साथ, ये देखो डेस्कटॉप में आ गए। अब dir करो, वायोला, वो देखो 29 जून 21:44 PM 329 बाइट्स की फाइल बनाई है मैडम ने, जिसका नाम है first.py, और अब मैडम इसको रन भी करके दिखाएंगी हमें। चलो मैडम लगाओ कमांड, मैडम को गेमिंग का भी शौक है, गेम लूप एंड्रॉइड एमुलेटर डाउनलोड कर रखा है मैडम ने। मैडम पबजी वगैरह खेलती हो?
yes, sir.
अरे बाप रे बाप, डर के रहना पड़ेगा तुम लोगों से। अभी देखो क्या एरर है मैडम, क्या एरर है?
Name where one is not defined.
इसका मतलब क्या है बताओ, कैसे सॉल्व करोगी?
That I have not defined this variable. But,
हाँ क्या मिस्टेक है यहाँ पर बच्चे? बड़ी सिंपल सी, बड़ी सिल्ली सी मिस्टेक है, जब पता चलेगा ना तुम खुद भी हंसोगी कि हे भगवान मैंने कैसे ये मिस्टेक कर दी, और जहां तुम अभी हो वहीं पर है मिस्टेक।
The space.
देख
Okay,
दो
equal to. I have to use equal to.
हाँ इक्वल टू। यार विपुल तुमसे पूछा था किसी ने बताने के लिए है? प्रतिवेश तुमसे पूछा था किसी ने? अरे उसको भी सीख लेने दो, उसको भी बन जाने दो प्रोग्रामर भाई। बट गुड, आई लाइक दिस that all of you are contributing to each other's learning. चलो मैडम फटाफट सेव करके सबको रन करके दिखाओ, और पबजी खेलना छोड़ दो यार, चाइनीज सॉफ्टवेयर। अभी सेव एज क्यों कर रही हो? सेव ही करो खाली, सेम फाइल सेव होगी बस। क्वारा दबाओ है।
Directly save this control S.
हाँ कंट्रोल एस से भी कर सकती हो। अभी यहाँ पर ऊपर का एरो दबाओ, अप एरो, अप एरो, अप एरो, देखो आ गया, पुराना कमांड आ गया, मारो एंटर, नाम डालो अपना, लो डन डना डन डन। ठीक है, हाँ अब हम सब लोग अपना अपना एड्रेस भेज देंगे, सबको चॉकलेट खिलाना। पहला प्रोग्राम आपका एकदम परफेक्ट एग्जीक्यूट हो गया। Anyone else who is not able to do this? Anyone else who is not able to do this? अच्छा हर्षिता एक और चीज, कभी भी ना ये कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट को ये यहाँ ऊपर से काटा मार के बंद नहीं करना, हमेशा एग्जिट कमांड से बंद करना। नहीं नहीं, यहाँ पर टाइप करना एग्जिट, EXIT, एग्जिट। सब लोग ध्यान रखना इस बात को, कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट को कभी भी एक काटा मार नहीं, खाली एग्जिट। ये पाइथन के लिए फंक्शन है, बाकी एग्जिट हो गया, देखा? काटा मार के नहीं बंद करना प्लीज कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट को कभी, डॉस प्रॉम्प्ट को। प्रतिवेश स्क्रीन ही नहीं शेयर कर पा रहे हो भाई, कैसे रिजॉल्व कराऊं प्रॉब्लम? तुम अपने वर्किंग डायरेक्टरी में नहीं जा पा रहे हो। विपुल मैडम, विपुल को बनाइए ना प्रेजेंटर।
Vipul is the presenter.
विपुल सर प्रेजेंट करो, चलो आ जाओ। भाई आप एनाकोंडा पावरशेल प्रॉम्प्ट में क्या कर रहे हो? आपको कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट में जाना है, आप पावरशेल में हो। ये विंडोज का कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट है, मतलब ये डॉस प्रॉम्प्ट नहीं है। एनाकोंडा खोलो, एनाकोंडा नीचे खुला हुआ है गुरु। अरे रुको, कहाँ जा रहे हो? नीचे खुला पड़ा है, वहां से ओपन करना है ना। वो ग्रीन गोला, ग्रीन गोला, हरा गोला, हरा गोला, हाँ खुला पड़ा है। यहाँ कहाँ जा रहे हो? होम में जाओ ना, होम में जाओ, होम में जाओ। तुम तो विंडोज में हो ना मेरे भाई। बस ये रहा कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट, करो लॉन्च इसको, cmd.exe। नीचे देखोगे पावरशेल का अलग होगा। चलो आ जाओ, कहाँ सेव किए हो बताओ, कौन से फोल्डर में सेव किए हो विपुल? डी में कोलन डालो, पूरा फुल कोलन डालो। तान्या 1 मिनट आता हूँ। हाँ चल भाई ठीक है, करो एंटर मारो, ऐसे ये शायद जाएगा नहीं, एंटर मारो। हाँ खाली डी डालो, खाली डी, ओनली डी, कोलन के साथ, कोलन के साथ गुरु। हाँ बस अभी CD, CD और ये पूरा जो पाइथन फाइल्स स्पेस, CD स्पेस 1 है ना, 1 की है ना, 1 की, उसके बगल में देखो 1 के पहले एक की है, टिल्डा, टिल्ड, हाँ शाबाश। ना ना ना, शिफ्ट दबाने की जरूरत नहीं है। हाँ अभी टाइप करो पूरा पाइथन फाइल्स, स्पेस नहीं आना चाहिए गुरु, टिल्डा और पाइथन के बीच में स्पेस नहीं आना चाहिए। हाँ पाइथन स्पेस फाइल्स, टिल्डा क्लोज करो, टिल्डा क्लोज करना भाई। स्टार्ट और एंड नहीं, नीचे आ, नीचे आ, नीचे आ, ऊपर का एरो दबा, नीचे आना, छोड़ना उसको, नीचे आ, ऊपर का एरो दबा, अप एरो। बस लास्ट में एक और टिल्डा ऐड कर, टिल्डा ऐड करना है, टिल्डा, टिल्डा, ये नहीं, ये बिना शिफ्ट के भाई। हाँ स्पेस नहीं है ना, कोई बात नहीं, DIR कर, DIR कर, DIR। हाँ एक बार विंडोज एक्सप्लोरर में जा, पाइथन फाइल्स का जो नाम है ना, बीच में अंडरस्कोर ऐड कर दे, फोल्डर में, फोल्डर के बीच में अंडरस्कोर ऐड कर दे। प्रतिवेश, प्रगीशा क्या बोल रही है उसको जरा फॉलो करना प्लीज। हाँ यहाँ पर जा, वो फोल्डर कहाँ है, हाँ इसमें अंडरस्कोर ऐड कर देना नाम में, रीनेम कर इसको, या सिर्फ पाइथन कर दे। बस ठीक है, ये भी सही है एकदम। यहाँ अगर cd स्पेस प्रतिवेश, वो राइट क्लिक करके ना ऑप्शंस आते हैं, हाँ गेट इन्फो, वो देख प्रगीशा ने बताया गेट इन्फो। अभी dir कर, ये क्या नाम है इसका, कंट्रोल किसके पास है, विपुल, हाँ विपुल, वो देख फाइल आ गई तेरी spider-tutorial.py। अब पाइथन फाइल नेम के बाद उसको कर पाइथन स्पेस फाइल नेम, कैपिटल P नहीं स्मॉल p, कैपिटल P नहीं स्मॉल p, पाइथन स्पेस, शाबाश, मार दे एंटर भाई। ये तुमने इसके पहले हैश नहीं डाला है, फाइल ओपन करो, अपनी कमांड प्रोग्राम दिखाओ, लाइन 25 में एरर है, लाइन 25 देखना भाई, मैंने उधर हैश डाला है, हैश हैश $, हैश $, ये जहां तुमने सिर्फ $, डाला है ना, हैश $, हाँ शाबाश, नीचे भी शाबाश। अब कर सेव, कंट्रोल एस से भी हो जाएगा। बस जाओ उधर वापस, जाओ उधर वापस, अप एरो, अप एरो, एंटर, सेव किया भाई, सेव जो आपने किया है वो देखो कहाँ किया है, सी यूजर्स विपुल त्यागी spider.py3, सेव एज, सेव एज, सेव एज, सेव एज, सेव एज, पाइथन फाइल्स, बस सेव, ऊपर सिलेक्ट कर लेना ऊपर वाली फाइल को, यस यस, बस जाओ वापस जाओ उधर, अप एरो, एंटर, एंटर योर नेम, अरे क्या, अरे यू आर ऑलवेज वेलकम सर, डियर थैंक्स सर, वेलकम टू एमेटिकस, शाबाश जियो मरलाला। चलो गाइस, अब कौन बचा जिसको ये नहीं आ रहा है, एक प्रतिवेश को छोड़ के कोई और बचा, प्रतिवेश को छोड़ के कोई और बचा, हाँ तान्या, आप विंडोज पे हो कि मैक पे हो, मैडम विंडो, ये तान्या को बनाइए प्रेजेंटर, मैं 2 मिनट में आया, तान्या आप स्क्रीन शेयर करो, मैं 2 मिनट में आया। निष्ठा, इफ यू आर डन यस यू कैन लीव। तान्या स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं किया आपने अभी तक। गाइज 1 मिनट बिफोर यू गाइज लीव, रुक जाओ रुक जाओ रुक जाओ, कौन था, निष्ठा, बिफोर यू लीव होल्ड ऑन, नाउ बिफोर यू कम टू टुमारोज क्लास, अभी जो लोग छूट गए हैं उनको जरा प्लीज इन्फॉर्म कर देना अपने ग्रुप में। before you come to tomorrow's class, what I want you guys to do is, नहीं हो रहा तान्या, ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, try see what is happening, वरना कल उसको एक बार देखते हैं इसी तरीके से you are able to share your screen. Madam, can you please make me back the presenter? Damini madam.
Sir.
Thank you. All right. Now, guys, before you come to the class tomorrow, I want all of you to go to this website, HackerRank, and I want all of you to sign up for this website. All of you sign up for this website for developers. Okay, I am already registered, so I am simply logging in. But I want all of you to come to this portal. When you come to this portal, please come and click on Python Basic. Okay, now this is the certification test. Here, see, skills available for practice. Under that, please come to Python. Everyone, I want all of us to come to Python. When you come to Python, those who have already been to this website will see different programs here. Now, in my case, see, all of these are solved, already solved. Yes, what I want you to do is start here. Start here, click on this problem. When you click on this problem, what I want you to do is read this problem and then come to the tutorial tab. Do not go to submissions, do not go to leaderboard, do not go to discussions, do not go to editorial. But what I want you to do is come to the tutorial tab. In the tutorial tab, please go through this. What is this? Please go through all of these. All right. Similarly, if you look at the next one, Python if else, please first come to the tutorial. All right. Go through this tutorial. It will give you a lot of idea. With me? Yes, no, maybe, quickly, please. Yep. So before you come to my class tomorrow, I want all of you to make sure that you have spent at least 60 to 90 minutes on HackerRank under Python introduction. It is mandatory before you come to my class tomorrow. Otherwise, those who do not go through this, they will feel that my pace is fast. Okay, was my pace fast today? Was my pace fast today? Do you guys want me to go with the same pace? Yes, if that is the case, then you guys will have to do all your homework and then come for the class. All right, only then I can make use of this. Yeah, so please go through this before coming to the class tomorrow, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, take care, good luck, bye bye.
Sir, just a minute.
Yep,
Sir, just a minute.
Tell me. Start with Gulzar.
Okay.
हाँ सर यही कि कई बार आप जो कोड जैसे कमांड्स जो आप अपनी स्क्रीन पे लिखते हो, कई बार आप उसको चैट्स में भी डाल दोगे, जैसे वो वेयर वाला जो कमांड था, ऐसे क्योंकि आपकी स्क्रीन में से कई बार कमांड क्लियर नहीं होता, उसको चैट्स में भी डाल दो तो।
भाई आज तो हमने सिर्फ 2 लाइन करी है कोड की, बट तुम्हारा पॉइंट बिल्कुल वैलिड है और हम उसको करते ही हैं. I will every time share the code with you guys. Either during the session I will be sharing it, या फिर पूरा सेशन होने के बाद मैं उसको आपको दामिनी मैडम के थ्रू मेल कराऊंगा या किसी तरीके से शेयर होएगा, LMS पे अपलोड होएगा. ठीक है, तो वो शेयरिंग होती है. सेकेंडली, इफ यू गो टू योर LMS, हमने जो आज कोड किया है, most of this code is already available in your LMS under Python. ठीक है, but your point is well
सर
taken.
जो फ्राइडे क्लास में जो
फ्राइडे क्लास तो तुम भूल ही जाओ अभी, क्योंकि फ्राइडे क्लास तो खाली एक इंट्रोडक्शन था। आपका कोर्स तो एक्चुअली आज से शुरू हुआ है, तो फ्राइडे जो कुछ भी मैंने कराया था वो सब आज
4-5 क्वेरीज
आज या कल या परसों शेयर होगा।
हाँ सर, पर 4 या 5 क्वेरीज तो कराई थी ना आपने फ्राइडे को, जो इस क्लास में 1-2 कराई है ऐसा कुछ।
अच्छा, कौन सी क्वेरीज बताओ, मैं अभी करा देता हूँ दोबारा।
सर अब मुझे डिटेल तो अब एग्जैक्टली मुझे नहीं याद क्या करा था, पर कोई 4-5 क्वेरीज आपने कराई थी तो उस क्लास।
डोंट वरी, आई विल कवर इट इन अ डे और टू, डू नॉट वरी। देखो उस सेशन के बारे में अभी कुछ मत सोचो। वो सेशन क्या था, वो सेशन सिर्फ ये था कि आपको पता चले मैं किस तरीके से पढ़ाता हूँ, एंड इफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल देन Ematicus people will take the final call कि हाँ these guys are comfortable with Shikhar, so let Shikhar take the entire batch. अब आज से आपका सिलेबस शुरू हुआ है। आज मैंने आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक इंटीग्रेटेड डेवलपमेंट एनवायरनमेंट से इंट्रोड्यूस कराया है और एक सिंपल हेलो वर्ल्ड प्रोग्राम लिखते हैं, हमने अपना वेलकम किया है, ठीक है, हमने और कुछ भी नहीं किया है। और बाकी की जितनी चीजें हैं वी विल बी सीइंग दैट स्लोली बट श्योरली। Okay, with me everyone?
ठीक है।
Now who else had a question? I think it was Nitika.
सर हो गया रिजॉल्व।
क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या था?
सर वो हैकर रैंक पे लॉगिन नहीं हो रहा था, ऐप आ रहा था कि डेवलपमेंट हो रही है उसकी, समथिंग वाज दैट। अब
हो गया ना प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व। चलो बढ़िया बढ़िया। Anyone else? Any other questions? Anyone? पुष्पेंद्र, जीशान, केडी, प्रगीशा, विपुल, निष्ठा, हर्षिता, वर्षा, तान्या, निष्ठा, anyone? Any questions? Quickly, please. So can I call this an end to a successful learning session? Can I call this an end to a good learning session? Was this session useful for you guys? Yes, no, maybe? Quickly, please. Yep. All right. So we will continue in the same vein, and I will see you guys tomorrow at 10:30. Right? Please ensure that you log in 5 minutes in advance, preferably 10 minutes in advance, so that if you have faced any problems, you guys in those 10 minutes can discuss it with the people in the group and share your experiences. So please try to log in 10 minutes in advance and utilize these 10 minutes to have a discussion amongst yourselves. Also, please keep this in mind that those 10 minutes are to be utilized by everyone. So a single person should not keep speaking कि भाई मैंने ये किया, मैंने वो किया, अपने तीर मारता रहा। मैं इस बारे में नहीं बात करके, जो चीज नहीं हुई सिर्फ उसी के बारे में बात करो, सो दैट जिससे अगर हुई है तो वो बता सके और आपको पता चले, and others will also learn from this. You will always learn from others' mistakes and you will learn from your own success. Clear with me? Okay, so good luck guys, take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.